Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So wait, hold up. I know y'all like, wait a minute, this ain't no naturally curly hair review. Like, what you doing? Girl, let me tell y'all, I only promote what I love. I say that so much. So it's not always going to be hair related, but I hope y'all don't mind because I really want to share these products with you guys and what has been helping me, okay? So with all that being said, first things first, okay? If you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Thank you for clicking on this video, my all-time subscribers. Y'all, I love y'all so much. Y'all know already. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the little YouTuber slow-mo thing or whatever. But let me just tell y'all, I was not one to take care of my skin when I was younger. I'm still young. But
Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
I didn't really take care of my skin like that because I thought I had time on my side. Black don't crack. I'm melanated, you know what I mean? I got that brown skin from Wakanda.
Okay.
But anyway, I changed that recently and I have really been into skincare because I'm just really trying to get my skin on the right path. So yeah, I really wanted to show y'all what I do. So I wash my hands first, always. We don't want dirty hands cleaning your face. That just don't even make sense. So I use the Even Tone cleansing bar. Now it's a 3-in-1 treatment because it's supposed to smooth, brighten, and promote even skin tone. Now, I love Urban Skin RX. I have made a post about them like a year ago. Like, that's how much I stand by these products. They're amazing. I stopped using them at one point just because they're kind of pricey, but I really feel like it's just really good to invest in your skin. So I deal with hyperpigmentation. I deal with dark spots. I can get a dark spot so easily from a pimple, and this has really helped. So believe it or not, I don't wear makeup during the week. I like to give my skin a rest, give it a break. Plus, I just don't feel like doing it all the time, if I'm honest. But on the weekends, I like to, just put a little makeup on or whatever. But I really want to, at the same time, enjoy makeup and also enjoy my skin more and feel more confident rocking just all natural, you know what I mean? But as Black women, sometimes we tend to want to cover up if we see a dark spot or kind of rely on makeup, and I want to be myself, like in this clip right here, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna lie, y'all, these products are a little bit pricey, but it's all about what you choose to invest in when it comes to your face, your hair. And I personally am going to invest in products that are formulated for me, that are formulated for women of color, that are going to help my problem areas. That's just me, okay? Now I do use the same washcloth for my face. I don't use it for my hands, for nothing else. I'll just use it for my face, okay? Okay, so now we have the Witch Hazel. Now this is not, of course, not a part of the Urban Skin RX line, but I wanted to show you guys that I do incorporate Witch Hazel at times for my astringent. It just really helps with my oil production, especially if I'm feeling like I'm going to get a breakout, or if I leave my makeup on and I accidentally slept in my makeup. I'm just keeping it real. I do it. Okay, I'm not perfect. It happens. I get tired, okay? Anyway, so it really helps my skin, especially getting that neck area, girl. I don't want to neglect the neck, okay? So these clarifying pads, y'all, I don't use them often, but when I do, okay, when I have that breakout or if I have too much oil production for whatever reason, these come through. Let me tell y'all don't understand how many over-the-counter products I have bought thinking that, I wasn't get the same results with these pads. Like, amazing. They really correct my breakout overnight. Swear by it. It's just the line overall is just amazing, okay? Like, it gets a dance. It's just amazing. It just really helps my skin. Anyway, so we're gonna move on to the Derm Shield Sun Protection Mattifying Moisturizer. Now we know it's important to moisturize your skin, girl. Okay, you gotta have that SPF in it. But I really love this because it's mattifying. Because my skin is oily, it's great to have a mattifying moisturizer. Usually moisturizers sometimes can make your face seem way more shiny than what you want. You're supposed to be a light unto the world, but you don't want to be shining bright like a diamond all the time.
Okay.
So you do get the little white cast a little bit, but it goes away. I just use a little bit too much. Like, a little goes a long way. And of course, if you're going to wear makeup over it, it's going to go away. But it has that because it has SPF in it, obviously, but I love it because it literally moisturizes my skin, but I'm still like low-key matte, I'm not like shiny and stuff. So to me, this is a winner. I just absolutely love this stuff. I use it in the morning only. I don't use it at night. So for nighttime, look at my skin. How's it glowing? Oh, okay. So at nighttime, I will use the Even Tone Night Treatment, Dark Spot and Complexion Corrector. Swear by this stuff, okay? I try to use it as often as possible. Like, I may miss a couple nights, but this stuff has really helped in conjunction with the Even Tone Bar. Like, these two products I have to have in my skincare regimen. It's just that amazing. So yeah, y'all, that's it. I just want to show you guys Urban Skin RX. It's amazing. A few things have changed in my skincare routine, so if you'd like it updated, one, let me know. Yeah, so y'all, this is how y'all used to seeing me with makeup on and all that stuff, so I thought I would leave y'all with that impression. Okay, go ahead and like if you have liked this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Bye.